Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make use of this watermelon rind, the part which we just threw it away. I'm going to make something special today with this rind. Take out the skin, the topmost layer, and I'll keep the remaining. You'll be surprised to see what comes up at the end. Keep watching. Since it's the lockdown period, I thought I'll make use of the resources which I have to the fullest. Now first you'll need to remove the skin, the topmost layer, and keep the remaining. I've heard that this part is loaded with vitamins. It's better to make use of it than throwing it away. I'll be posting few recipes in the coming days, so please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. The next thing you'll need to do is take a grater and grate them. Now that it is grated, take a pan, keep it on a medium flame, put the grated rind on the pan and keep sauteing it till it becomes a little bit dry. As it's high in water content, it will take to around 5 to 8 minutes for the water to completely dry up. Keep sauteing it so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Once the water gets dried up, it will become like this. At this stage, you need to take it out and cool down. Have you guys guessed what's getting cooked? The next step is in a pan, pour in milk, around 750 ml of milk. Let it come to a boil. Keep stirring in between. Meantime, you need to powder 4 cardamoms and you'll need to put that into the boiling milk along with 1/4 cup of condensed milk, or if you don't have condensed milk, you can add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. And now keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. And now add in the watermelon rind. And by now you must have all guessed it right. It's a watermelon rind payasam. Now you'll need to stir and cook for around 10 minutes. You'll get a nice thick payasam. Once it's starting to boil, simmer it and keep stirring it till you get a nice thick payasam. Now after about 10 minutes, you've got the perfect payasam consistency. Switch off the flame and put a pinch of salt so that it balances the sugar. Once you've added the salt, you'll need to mix well. And now you'll need to fry the cashews. For that, I've taken half tablespoon of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter. Heat it. Add in 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews. Let it fry till golden brown. Once it is golden brown, you'll need to pour this into the KHEER. That's the watermelon rind KHEER. Mix them well, and now your yummy watermelon rind KHEER is ready. You must be wondering how it will taste. It is as tasty as any other KHEER. You won't be able to make out what it is. It's the best time that you can make use of the resources, whatever you have, to the most. I'm sure you won't be throwing out the rind of the watermelon after you try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll love it. Do try it out and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. Until I come back with a new video, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.